Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Hakim bin Muhammad Yazid. I'm from SRR13D4 and my matrix number 202380457 So today I will present about classification of nutrients. So let's go. So this is a classification of nutrient that we have two classification of nutrient, which is the first one is macronutrient that we can check this in a large amount, and the second one is micronutrient, and we just take this just a small amount. So what is type of macronutrient? We have three types, which is the first one is carbohydrates, the second one is protein, and the last one is fats. And for micronutrient, we have three types too. The first one is vitamin, mineral, and water. We will start with macronutrient. So let's get started. So we go to the first type of macronutrient, which is carbohydrate. So as we know that carbohydrate is a glucose that can help for our energy. So what is the meaning of carbohydrate? So carbohydrates or carbs are sugar molecules. The body break down carbohydrate into glucose so that it can be for our energy. So the main source of energy of your body cell, tissue, and organs. So an example of carbohydrates. So the first one we have rice. We every day we take rice maybe two times per day so that we have fully energy to do our daily routine. And we have bread, we have yogurt, and legumes ni just example for beans, so we can take this for to our energy. So go to the type of carbohydrate. We have three. The first one is monosaccharides, polyols, and disaccharides. So glucose and fructose is monosaccharides that can be found in fruit and vegetables. Lactose, a disaccharides consisting of glucose and galactose, is the main carbohydrate in milk and dairy products. Maltose is glucose disaccharides. It can be found in malt and starch-derived syrups. So we go to the function of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body main source of energy, and they are broken down into glucose, which cells use for fuel. The liver uses its glycogen stores to maintain a consistent blood glucose level between meals. Carbohydrates are building blocks for important molecules like RNA, DNA, and ATP, which are essential for cell function. And the last one function is fiber, a type of carbohydrate, promotes digestive health by nourishing beneficial gut. So this is digestion of carbohydrates. So from our mouths go to the stomach go to the small intestine go to the large intestine. So we go to the next type of macronutrient, which is protein. So what is the meaning of protein? So a molecule made up of amino acids, protein are needed for the body to function properly. They are the basis of body structures such as skin and hair, and all of the substance such as enzymes, cytokines, and antibodies. So we have four examples of protein, which is meat, eggs. We eat maybe three times per week. Cheese and bean. You have two type of protein, which is complete protein and incomplete protein. So complete protein, high quality protein, but incomplete protein, low quality protein. So complete EAA for the complete protein, incomplete protein, lack of one of more EAA. So complete protein from the animal source, but for incomplete protein from vegetable source. So the function of protein: drug maintenance and repair body tissue, regulate water balance and maintain proper acid base. So transport function for hemoglobin that carries oxygen from the lungs to the cell. Transport function lipoprotein, transport lipids around the body. So yeah, so let's go again. We go to the last type of macronutrient, which is fat. What is the meaning of fat? Fats are also called fatty acid and lipids. So you must remember this. Fats in our body are made of three molecules joined together. This three molecule structure is called triglycerides. So what the example of fats? We have butter, we have oil, we have meat, and we have chocolate. So for fat, we have two type also, same like protein, which is unsaturated fats and saturated fats. So unsaturated fats mainly found in plant and fish such as olive oil, avocado, some nuts, salmon. But such saturated fats mainly found in animal products and some plant foods such as butter, cheese, cream, and chocolate. Yeah. Yeah, go to the micronutrient. So let's go again. So the first type for the micronutrient, which we have vitamins. What's the meaning of vitamin? Vitamins are organic molecules. They are essential to an organism in small quantities for proper metabolic function. Essential nutrients cannot be synthesized in the organism in sufficient quantity for survival, and they must be obtained through the diet. So the example of vitamin, we have fruits, we have oats, we have tomatoes, and we have fish. So this is type and function for vitamins. The first one is vitamin A. So it's essential for healthy vision, growth, immune response, and reproduction. So the vitamins B promotes overall health and well-being. And for the vitamin C, so we usually take vitamin C for our immune system, so it can improve our immune system. So vitamin D maintain normal level of calcium and phosphate. Vitamin E powerful for the promote skin, eye, liver health. And the last one is vitamin K, which is activate protein and calcium essential to blood. So this is function of vitamins. The second type of micronutrient, which is minerals. So what is the meaning of minerals? Minerals, nutrients are inorganic substance that must be ingested and absorbed in a small amount to satisfy a wide variety of essential metabolic and structural function in the body. So an example for minerals, so we have milk, we have carrot, and we have mushroom. So mineral also have two types, which is the first one is major elements and the second one is trace element. For major elements, we have calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and the trace elements we have iron, iodine, zinc, cobalt, and others. So it's the function of minerals. So we have example, which is phosphorus, which is that can help make energy and protein for repairing damage. Second one is we have calcium that require for vital cellular function. We have chloride and electrolyte that helps keep fluid balance. We have potassium that's required for balance, remove signal. And we have sodium that help maintain blood pressure. And the last one we have magnesium that essential for metabolic process muscle. So the last type of macronutrient, which is water. What is the meaning of water? So we every day will drink the water. So we must know what is the meaning of water. So essential nutrient crucial for bodily function. They have main vital role in digestion, absorption, transportation, and metabolism of nutrients, and regulating body temperature and maintaining proper cellular structure. So this is a H2O, the type of water. So this is a function of water. The first one is nutrient absorption and transport. So the water dissolve vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. The second one is digestion and waste removal. Water helps to break down the food to be digestion in the digestion system. So the next one is temperature regulation, which is water helps to regulate our body temperature. For example, when we sweat, so the water helps to cool the body. So the last function is of water is metabolic reaction. Water participates in numerous biochemical reaction essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching me, and yeah, for nutrition, we love you.